Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through our pullback strategy here. So this is PB1 on crude oil. Now this system has produced around 15k since the 1st of Feb 2013 per single contract being traded, and it has a max drawdown of 990. So I'm going to take you through the actual system itself, how the system works, and then I'm going to take you through the stats on this particular strategy. Because this is one of the systems we're going to include in our multi-system strategy. So we've got on our multi-system strategy, we've got the pullback, the trend, the cycle, and the end of the trend. So this is one of the strategies we're going to include in that. So I'll take you through now. Cheers. Hey traders, I've got the NYMEX chart loaded up here with crude oil. I've got my system performance tracker indicator here telling me what's happening on the days of the week and the longs and the shorts, and you can see here that we've got some very profitable days that we're trading, and it's good to have this running on your system anyway, because what we want to do is we want to find out what our current drawdown is with our strategy. And you can see if I quickly look at this indicator, I can tell from my pullback strategy, which I'm trading here on a 5-minute chart, that basically on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm green all day. So it means that my system's on for those days of the week. I've got my current drawdown is 0 on most of these days. I think on Wednesday I'm down $100, Thursday down 430. Overall Friday I haven't got a drawdown. So they're running beautifully on the days of the week. You can see the average trade net profit here, which is our bottom line. All very good average trade net profit. So 211 on a Tuesday, 108 on a Wednesday, 119 on a Thursday. So this is critically valuable information for us because it tells us what is happening with the dynamics of our system. Now we can get that information from our performance graph, but we can't get the days of the week or the longs and the shorts. We can only get it as a grouped amount based on our performance summary. So you can see here we've got a very even split between our longs and shorts on this system. So both of them are contributing to the strategy. We've got about almost 15k of profit there. Our profit factor is 2.65. The win rate here is about 56%, so fairly even across longs and shorts. Our average trade net profit across the strategy is 91.60, which is great. The average winning trade 260, average losing trade 170. And if we go down here to our max drawdown is 990. So it's a really good balance between our max drawdown to net profit. So that's exactly what we want. We want to have a ratio of greater than 6-1, which was definitely what we've got there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through how this strategy works. So the strategy works in that it is looking to obviously have its run. So you can see here it breaks dynamics resistance, gets into a trend setup, which is illustrated by our cyan price bars there. Then we get the pullback, and this is what we're after. We're after this pullback to our dynamic support. So I'm just going to load up here. So we're in there. I've got my drawing tools loaded up here on the left hand side, and you can see that there is our basic setup, our basic. So traders, here's our long entry there, and we've obviously hit our target there. So once we get into our long setup, which is our long trend, we're waiting for that pullback. So there's our pullback dynamic support. It touches support. We get the entry there off our support, and away we go. Now the thing that I like most about this strategy is that we can have a very small stop and go for a fixed target, which is our dynamic resistance, or we can open our target up to trail. But the great thing as well is that you're waiting for price to make a move. So you're not going straight in on the trend or a breakout. You're actually waiting for the trade to set up and show that it's in a bit of a trend, and then you're looking to get in, depending on what obviously scale you're trading. At the moment, in this example, we're trading a 5-minute chart. So we don't typically trade a lot of time charts, but you can see here that this is very profitable for crude. So we've got a number of time frames I've loaded up on this one, but this is doing exceptionally well. So for those of you who are looking to add a secondary system to your portfolio, this would definitely be one to add in, because not only do you get the trend here, but you've also got the ability to scale in on the obviously on the pullback. So it really does maximize your potential profitable opportunities. That was a very quick look at the pullback. You can see here the performance, and we'll go to the monthly performance there, that it's been very, very consistent. So has not had a losing month yet, and it's doing exceptionally well in July, obviously again. So around that $2,000, $3,000 mark, it's been very consistent. And even if we go to the weekly stats here, you can see that it very rarely has a bad week. So it's a good one to have on your list within your portfolio. So again, doesn't trade a huge amount. Obviously, not taking a lot of trades through the week, but just enough. And again, had a very strong fortnight. Obviously, 780 last week, 890 the week before. Then the previous week was $90. So then you had the end of June pulling in 1350. So this is a good one for those traders who want to capitalize on or maximize their return on investment from a smaller trading account, because the drawdown is only 990. So you've got a very small drawdown there. So that's going to wrap it up for me for that particular strategy. And I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers. Hey traders, if you'd like to become a GMT Futures and FX automated system trader, very simply all you need to do is email us at info@gmtfutures.com and we can get you started pretty much straight away. You can call us at 617-336-00875. You can visit our website at www.gmtfutures.com and have a look at our products page and have a look at the strategies that we have up available there. So thank you for your time. I hope you have a fantastic trading day, and looking forward to chatting with you in the future. Cheers.